Have you ever run your tongue along your teeth and felt tiny notches near the gums, almost like your tooth is being carved away? What if I told you it's not always cavities, and brushing harder might actually be making it worse? Imagine sipping cold water and feeling that sharp electric zing shoot straight to your brain. Stay with me, because this video could save your teeth. Asterisk, let's talk about tooth neck wear, also called non-carious cervical lesions. These are the grooves, dents, or notches that form right where your tooth meets your gum. At first, it feels harmless, maybe just a little sensitivity to cold drinks. But over time, that mild twinge turns into pain when brushing, pain when breathing, cold air pain when eating sweet or sour foods, and here's the scary part. This damage is permanent. Once that tooth structure is gone, your body cannot regrow it. Most people don't notice the problem until the dent is visible, the tooth looks longer, or the pain becomes impossible to ignore. But the good news: if you act early, you can stop the progression, reduce sensitivity, protect your teeth without expensive treatments. And today, I'll show you exactly how. Asterisk, let's clear up some dangerous myths. Myth number 1. This is just gum recession. Not always. Gum recession exposes the area, but tooth neck wear is actual tooth loss. Think of it like a tree trunk. Gum recession is like soil, washing away tooth neck. Where is the bark being scraped off? For you only treat the gums and ignore the tooth, the damage continues. Myth number 2. Brushing harder will fix it. This one destroys teeth. Brushing harder is like scrubbing a scratch on your car with sandpaper. You're not cleaning, you're grinding. Consequences of this myth: deeper notches, faster enamel loss, severe sensitivity, expensive fillings, or crowns later more pressurized, not equal to cleaner teeth. Smarter brushing does. Asterisk. Let's simplify. The science: tooth neck wear happens because of 3 forces working together to 1. Mechanical stress, biting and grinding. Imagine bending a paperclip back and forth. Eventually, it snaps right at the weakest point. Your tooth neck is that weak point. Every time you clench or grind, microscopic stress concentrates there. 2. Abrasion, brushing damage. Think of a plastic ruler. If you rub it daily with rough fabric, slowly thins. Hard, bristlesome, aggressive motionless, equal to tooth erosion at the neck. 3. Acid. Softening. Now picture a chalk stick dipped in vinegar. It becomes soft and crumbly. Acidic foods and drinks soften enamel, making it easier to wear away from gentle brushing. This triple attack explains why even people with good hygiene get this problem. Even dentists see it in patients with 0 cavities. It's not about cleanliness. It's about physics and chemistry. Asterisk. Let's walk through the stages. Stage 1. Mild sensitivity. Cold drinks. Sting brushing. Feels uncomfortable. Most people ignore this stage. Stage 2. Visible notches. Teeth look chipped near the gums. Food gets stuck. Sensitivity becomes daily. Damage is accelerating now. Stage 3. Structural. Weakness, dentin, exposed, higher risk of tooth fracture. Fillings become necessary. Treatment costs rise fast. Stage 4. Catastrophic. Outcome: cracked tooth, root canal, crown, or extraction. Thousands of dollars. For something that started as a tiny notch, stop gum recession and tooth wear before it's too late. Asterisk. Here's what you can do starting tonight. Tip number 1. Fix your brushing technique. This is critical. Tools you need: soft or ultra-soft toothbrush, fluoride or desensitizing toothpaste to bi-step. Use pea-sized toothpaste angle. Brush 45 toward the gum line. Use gentle circular motions. Pressure test. If bristles bend, you're pushing too hard. Brush 2 minutes. Twice daily. Pro tip: hold your brush with 2 fingers instead of a fist. It automatically reduces force. Tip number A. Neutralize acid attacks. Locos fix after acidic foods or drinks. Soda, citrus vinegar, sports drinks. Do not brush immediately. Instead, rinse mouth with plain water. Wait 30 to 60 minutes. Then brush gently. Optional. Low-cost rinse: 1/2 teaspoon. Baking soda, 1 cup water use once daily to neutralize acid. Asterisk.